morning, children. How are you all? Sairam. All are fine? Wow, very good. Happy to see you. Your lovely smiles, children. It's very nice. So, today all are ready? Yes? For today's session? Yes, na? Yes, show me thumbs up like this. Areva. Very good. So, today we are going to learn maths. Okay? See, listen carefully, children, because this is new thing for you. Okay? You listen carefully now? Yes? Okay, very cute. See, the topic is, this is the topic before numbers. The topic is before numbers. Matlab, before number, like that. Okay? What is that? The topic is before numbers. Okay? So, what will come before? That is what? Yes, you remember last time we saw the backward numbers, na? Yes? Yes, this is the other extent. This is before number. What will come before this? Yes, before you come to the class, come to the class session, what you will do? Before coming, you will come with your notebook. Before coming with your notebook, what you will do? You will have your breakfast. Before having your breakfast, what you will do? You will take bath. Yes, before taking bath, what you will do? You will brush your teeth. Before brushing your teeth, what you will do? You will simply wake up. Correct? Understood? So, this is called before. The before works. What we will do before that? It is called before work. Okay? In maths, the before numbers. Okay? What this is the number, and before this, it's a before numbers. Okay? Now, children, listen carefully. Now, everyone sit straight. Back straight, all of you. Yes. Be brisk. Now, listen one thing. You can do one beautiful thing, which is very easy for you. Yes, you can take assistance or help from your parents or your grandparents. Even if you have your brother or sister, you can ask them also to do this. Okay? I know my children are watching TV. Yes, you are all watching TV now. Yes. What are all things you have noticed during if you watch your any cartoons, any news channels? If you see, what are all the things you have noticed? What you have noticed? Ads will be coming. Yes, na? Okay. Your favorite cartoon characters, favorite cartoons. Okay. Next time, when you are watching favorite cartoons, you would have noticed there will be some break. Correct? After the break and before your next session starts, you will have the timings on the left top. Back in. Remember? Yes. Next time when it is going, just see that. Okay. Back in 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50. See, they will go in reverse order. They will go in backwards. They will go before counting. They will go before numbers. Okay? Yes. So, will you do this? Yes, na? See, you are going to do this on regular basis. Anyways, you are watching TV, na? Yes or no? Say truthfully. You are watching TV, I know? Okay. So, next time, see it productively. Okay, if you watch news channel or the cartoon channel, if I say anyone's saying cartoonic channel for 24 hours na, then definitely I'll scold you. Okay, so no TV continuously. Okay, only for half an hour you are going to do this activity daily. Yes, if you are watching these numbers, then only you can watch the channels. Okay. Yes, what are all the two channels you are going to watch? One is the news channel and next is the cartoons which have only the break. Break free cartoons you are not going to see. Okay, I don't want that. Okay, so What things you are going to see during that? A break will come. You leave off the break. Yes. When there is a break on the left corner, what will be displayed? What will be displayed on the left corner? Back in so and so minutes, so and so seconds. Correct? So you are going to watch only that numbers. Okay? So daily you want to see this. Okay children? Only this. Only that numbers you are going to watch. Okay? Will you do this? Done. Okay. So now comes the numbers. Now see here, you have 10. We have 10 fingers. It is easy for us. Okay? 10 fingers. So before 10, what is this? 9. Okay? Before 10 it is 9. Children, if you do this on regular practice, only this before numbers will be easy for you children. Okay? Yes? First time it will be difficult. But if you keep on practicing again and again, you can do it very much easily. Okay? Chalo. Now see the next number. 14. Before 14? Before 14, what will you say? Just initial purpose, say that numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So before 14, what is that? 13. Before 14, 13. Yes. Now see the next number. 19. 14. So you know still 14 this here fingers. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So this finger is 19. What is this finger? 18. This is 18. Done? Yes? Okay. Keep on practicing, then only it will be easy for you. Okay? Now comes the next number. 24. After 20 is done. 21, 22, 23, 24. So what is this? 24. What we told before 24? It is 23. Have to remember. Okay? 24. Before 24 it is 23. Yes? Excellent. Okay, this is 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. No, this is 28. Yes, before 28, 27. What is this before 28? 27. Done? Before 28, 27. Correct? Okay, 28, 29, 30. Done? Yes or no? Okay. See, it will be initially difficult for you children, but day goes on, you can keep practicing. Okay? Now you can keep it in this way, how we see numbers in the assembly and all. Yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So before 10, what we did? 9. Okay, it's one of the method. Okay, you can do this way also. Okay? Okay. We did till 30. Correct? Now say 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So this is 39. What we told before 39, it's 38. Before 39, it is 38. Done? Okay? Okay. I know initially it will take time, but they keep on practicing daily basis. Done? It will be easy for you. Surely my children are very smart, they will understand, and surely I am telling you children, if you practice this daily, half an hour is enough. Okay? You can understand this. Okay? Okay, what number is this? 54. Yes. See, there is one more trick also. 50. 50? You know till 50. You know till 100 also I know. You told in max orals also, right? Yes, na? Okay. 50, then 51, 52, 53, 54. So this is 54. What is this? 53. Yes. So before 54 it is 53. Okay. Keep on counting by tens, na? It will be easy for us. Okay. This is one of the methods. We have so many methods, children. Okay. See what is this? 39. Start counting from 30. Yes. Okay. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. See, we are seeing that number 39. This is 39. What we told before 39, it is 38. What is this? 38. Okay. 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 Good. Next number 44. We told till 39. Yes. So 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. This is 44. What is this? 44. Before 44, what we told? 43. Yes. What is this? 43. Good. Arey wow, I heard someone telling 43. Very good. Who is that? Excellent. So you started understanding now, correct? Okay. See, what is that number? 38. From which number we should start telling? 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. What is this? 38. See the number and stop from that. 38. So what is this? 37. Yes. Acha, you started understanding now? Yes? Yes. This is the best method. It is easy for our children. Okay, dears? Okay. Now, what we are going to do now? Take our maths workbook. Yes? Okay. Now take maths workbook, pencil, eraser. Yes? Chalo, come. Come with your maths workbook. Now. Okay. Very good. Very good. Keep on telling that numbers. Keep on telling the numbers. It will be easy for you to start memorizing in your mind. Yes, children? Good. Ready? See my maths workbook. Take all yours. In that maths workbook, we are going to do page number 82. If you listen this carefully, you can do 2 pages. Okay? Yes? Yes. It is easy, children. Yes, you are very smart. Na? My children are very smart. I know them. And see, now you started answering now. Yes? Okay. So, if you see regularly, definitely you can understand. Okay? Okay. Take page number 82. 82. Yes? Done? Okay, someone is telling wait teacher. Okay dear, I am waiting here. I can hear. I am waiting here. Okay? Okay. Yes, the child have taken. Page number 82. Done? First thing, whenever we take a page, what we will do? Write today's date. Excellent. See, now you started learning that to write the date, the heading, everything now. The same way, this will also be easy for you. Okay? Okay. Now, what is today's date? What is today's date? Yes, right? No, I am not going to write. Only you are going to write now. Okay? Write today's date. 23-9-2020. Is it? Okay, fine. Let's see how many are writing. So I didn't write the date today. Good. And what we will write as a heading? CW. Wow, excellent. Dears, very good. So nice of you. Done? We'll start. So, okay. Now, see children, in your maths workbook, TO. What is that? Tens, ones. You remember? Yes, we will write 9 in one box, and below 9, we will write 10. By writing 10, how we will write? 1, 0, 10. 1 in one box, 0 in one box. Correct? Ones, tens. Correct? Okay. So first, oh God, children, you didn't read the heading. Yes? Now read the heading. Keep your finger on the heading. Write the number which comes before the given numbers. Done? So what is the meaning? They have given the numbers. We should write the before numbers for that given particular numbers. Okay? Okay. Now start. As I told, TO matlab tens, ones. Yes na? Okay? Ones, tens. In this way only you should go. Ones, tens. Okay? Okay. See? What is the first number? 1 to 12. What will come? Any guess? Can anyone guess what will come before 12? What will come? 11. How we will write 11? 1, 1, 11. 1 in one box, another one in one box. See? Done? Like this you have to write. Okay? 1, 1, 11. See, only one number in one box. Okay? Okay, see, 11 is there now. You have written 11. 1, 1, 11. Correct? Below 11, 1 to 12 is there. Correct? So, below 1 to 12, what is the number below 12? 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. Start 1, 4, 14. So, before 14, what will come? 1, 3, 13. Right. Yes. Before 14, 1, 3, 13. Okay? One number in one box. Please remember, children. This is what we will be writing in our notebooks also. Correct? Okay. Okay. Now next, 14 is there. Below 14, 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. Before 16, 1, 5, 15. Yes. Wow. That's great. Done? Yes? Okay. Now come to the other side. They have given, what they have given? The other side. See, you have written this side now. Now see, they will have given numbers this side also. Yes? Okay. Now see, on the top, what is that number? 1, 3, 13. What is that? 1, 3, 13. So, before 1, 3, 13, what should come? 1, 2, 12. Yes? Yes. See, 1 in one box and 2 in one box. Before 13, 1 to 12. Perfect. Arey wow, good. Done? Okay. See, there is 1, 3, 13. Correct? Below 13, what is that? 1, 5, 15. What is that? Below 13, it's 1, 5, 15. Yes. What is there before 15? 1, 4, 14. Yes. 1, 4, 14. 1 in one box, 4 in one box. Yes, right, children. Yes, I told you now, if you start doing this, you will definitely understand. Fine? Okay. Done 14? Okay, now come here. This is zigzag. You are doing what pattern? Zigzag pattern. Yes? Okay. Now below 1, 5, 15, what number is there? 1, 5, 15. Below 15 it is 1, 7, 17. Wow. 1, 7, 17. Perfect. Now write. Done? What is that? Then what we should write? Yes, you are thinking. Correct. Excellent. Yes, children. 17 already it is there. So what we should write before 17? It is 1, 6, 16. What is that? We should write now 1, 6, 16. Yes? Good. Very smart. Keep it up. Done? Before 17 it is 1, 6, 16. Excellent. Shall we move on to the second part? Yes? Okay. Now see. Now what is the number we wrote there? It was 1, 6, 16. Correct? Below 1, 6, 16, what number is there? 1, 8, 18. Yes, 1, 8, 18. So before 18, what should be there? 1, 7, 17. Before 18, 17. Correct. Write 1, 7, 17. 1 in one box, 7 in one box. Okay? Fine. Okay. Below 18, what is there? 2, 0, 20. Can you find 2, 0, 20 in your book? Perfect. Yes? Okay. Good. So, before 20, what is there? What should be there? Think. Before 20, 1, 9, 19. See, you can just keep on telling the numbers. If you come to know that this number, then you can stop with that. Okay? 2, 0, 20. Before 20, what is it? 1, 9, 19. Done? Good. Okay. Below 20, what number? 2, 2, 22. Very good. Who is that? Told very loudly. Very good. 2, 2, 22. So, before 22, what should be there? 2, 1, 21. Okay? Before 22, 2, 1, 21. So, 2 in one box, 1 in one box. Correct? 2, 1, 21. Okay? Good. All done? Very good. So, below 22, what is that? 2, 4, 24. So, before 24, what we should write? 2, 3, 23. Yes, right. 2, 3, 23. Right. Good. Return. What we are doing writing in the zigzag patterns. Correct? See, what are all you are learning before numbers, zigzag pattern. Wow, children. Great you are. You are learning so many things now. Now come to the next side. Yes, we wrote till 1, 7, 17. Correct? So, below 17, what is the number you can identify there? Below 17, what is the number you have? 1, 9, 19. Wow. Okay, right. So that's awesome. So before 19, what should come? 1, 8, 18. What should come? 1, 8, 18. Listen carefully. 1 in one number, 1 box and 8 in one box. One number in one box. Okay? Good. Done? Say done, teacher. Good. Very good. So, below 19, what is that number? 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. Before 11, all will be knowing this, I know. 1, 0, 10. Yes, we saw this now earlier itself. That's good. 1, 1, 11. Before 11, you should write 1, 0, 10. Wow, so nice, children. Very good. See, now you started learning. Yes, na? Cute. Okay. So, below 1, 1, 11, what is that? 3, 0, 30. 3, 0, 30. Yes. So, before 30, what you should write? 2, 9, 29. Very good. Wow. What is that? We should write now? 2, 9, 29. Good, my dear children. Very good. Okay. Now let's see who is answering this first. Below 30, what is that number there? 2, 7, 27. Correct. So before 27, what is there? It should be 2, 6, 26. Wow. Excellent. Keep it up. Who told first? Oh, everyone. Very good. So 2, 6, 26. You started learning, na? Good, children. That should be your spirit. Done. So, we have done this page fully. Yes. Wow. Completed? Okay. Children, you keep on practicing, revising it daily so that you can understand very easily. Okay, you can take your max notebook and see this is the number. Okay, what is the number before that? You can do that also. You can play the game also with your parents. Yes, if mommy asks one number, yes, what is it before number? You can tell. If papa asks one number, you can tell the before number. You can ask your mommy, what is it before number? You can ask papa. You can ask your grandparents. Yes, fine. If you have brother or sister, you can ask to them also. Yes, so you can refresh your mind always. You can play with this. Okay, done. Now, see here, page number 83. This is the immediate page. The next page, 83. This is homework for you, my lovely children. See, think the same way and write. Okay, this page and the next page, this immediate page of 83, turn this page, number 84. Yes? Okay? Think slowly and write. It is very easy for you. See, for this page, I'll tell you what is that number last in that blue box. The last number given is 5. Before 5, 4. Before 4, 3. Before 3, 2. Before 2, 1. Done? Okay. Below 5, what is that? 10. Before 10, 9. Before 9, 8. Before 8, 7. Before 7, 6. Before 6, 5. It is already given. Done? Okay. Then below that, it's 15. Before 15, 14. Before 14, 13. Before 13, 12. Before 12, 11. Done? Okay. So, the same way you are going to write this. Okay, children? Fine. Now, see, before numbers you keep on practicing. So, my children will become expert in that. Fine? See you soon, children. Bye-bye.